Hi, this is Scott Huddleston from Sweden is my home. And Sweden has been my home now for about a year and a half. And I was very happy moving to Sweden. My great-grandfather's from here, and my great-grandparents are from here. I've got Swedish blood in me, and I'm very happy that I came to Sweden. And Stockholm is my favorite city with all the water and everything. And it's only until recently I heard well, no, I'll go through the whole story, starting from when I first moved in to Sweden. I had an apartment in a place called Täby. And Täby was a nice place. Right across the street from me, I had a good shopping center where I could buy everything, and I thought it was great. And okay, the apartment, the guy was nice that rented me the apartment. I had to clean it quite a bit because he wasn't so, let's say, didn't have much of a cleaning character, but I really cleaned it for him. But he was very happy. But the problem was that I was doing podcasting and YouTubing from that place. So I had to find a new place. And I looked and I looked and I looked for a long time. And finally I found something that I thought was fantastic. It had enough room and it looked wonderful. So I called them and made an appointment with them. The organization is called NordicPM, Nordic, capital P, capital M, just to let you know. And then I was very happy about going to visit this place, and this nice lady met me and showed me the apartment, but only the part that she wanted me to see. And I was very excited about the apartment. She told me that they were going to install a port for my internet access because of the podcasting and for the YouTubing, of course. That never came to pass. The thing that really amazed me was that she also told me that there was going to be a street in front of the building, and that was never put in. It was never, ever put in. And the thing that was really a joke is that this company called NordicPM, in its infinite wisdom, with 6 buildings, installed 1 electric transformer. And there were so many times when the electricity went out. But the worst part was the water. The water pressure was terrible there. I called many times to the authority about the water pressure, and they said they would fix it. They never fixed it. It was trickling out. When I took a shower, it trickled out of the shower, but to make matters worse, it went from hot to cold, hot to cold, hot to cold. The other really funny thing was that as I said, well, I don't think I said it yet, NordicPM is actually owned by the Bulgarian Mafia. That's why it made so much sense to me that how they treated me at the time, because at the very beginning there was a problem with there was a problem with all of the appliances. I'm not kidding, all of the appliances. But the washing machine had a kind of a boom 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 sound. And then they did come to me at the beginning and actually fixed the problem for that particular appliance anyway, and because they didn't install it properly. They had to remove something and then it was quiet. But then still, every one of the appliances had all of the stuff in there like they had just taken it out of the box. I had to throw away styrofoam, tape that they had stuff taped down in. I mean, everything. The dishwasher, the refrigerator, everything had the packing stuff in it. I couldn't believe it. But to make matters worse, the water situation, the electric system was terrible because of the way they installed it. And there were cracks in all the different places in the walls. And they just made excuses. And then when winter came, the radiators didn't work. But this was after the time that they stopped helping me. I lived through the cold winter with no radiators. That's how great this NordicPM company is. It's amazing to me how bad they are. I've communicated with them 1,000 times. They never got back to me. Never got back to me. I still have proof of conversations with some of the guys that were supposed to come. I also have proof with photos, which I hope I can put in the video now. And all I can say is you have to be very, very careful about who you rent from or buy from, for that matter. It's really amazingly bad how many bad things happen to me. I mean, a ton of bad things happened to me with this company. They never answered my calls, ever. So what I want to say with this is that you have to be very careful on your side if you ever have to rent anything, or for that matter, buy something. Be very, very careful who you buy or rent from. And if you ever want to rent or buy something in Stockholm County, which is quite big, do not buy it from NordicPM, please. I also heard from a friend that even one of the top politicians in Sweden is connected to the mafia. So my whole vision of Sweden has gone down to some extent. I still want to put this video up on Sweden as my home, only because it's still here. Very soon I'll be moving to Ireland, then I'll create a new station called Ireland as my home, but I'll still put this up on Sweden as my home, in hope that people can learn from the situation that I went through. I really hope that you learn something from this experience that I've described now. I really hope so. All the best and good luck on your rentals or on your purchases. I really hope everything works out for you. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.